The nose. In order to show the stitches clearly, we'll still use other colored yarn instead of white yarn for demonstration. Work into a chain, make slip knot first. Place the hook under the yarn. Then twist the hook anti-clockwise to wrap the yarn. Pinch the crossover of the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Yarn over the hook and pull through the loop on the hook. Such a slip knot is made. Pull the yarn tail to tighten the loop. First, work 7 chain stitches. Such a V shape is formed. Place a marker through the left loop of the first chain stitch. Place another marker through the right loop of the first chain stitch. Continue to work chain stitches. The 6th chain stitch is done. Also, place the markers through the left and right loops of the 6th chain stitch. Continue to work 1 more chain stitch. Seven chain stitches are done. We'll work through the loops on one side of the chain, and then work through the loops on the other side of the chain. In round 1, we need to work 5 single crochets, 3 single crochets in one stitch, 4 single crochets, 1 increase. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Turn, skip 1 chain stitch, and work 5 single crochets through the left loops of the chains, starting from the 6th chain stitch. Remove the marker from the left loop of the 6th chain stitch, and work 1 single crochet through this left loop. Once single crochet is done, mark the first single crochet. Continue to work 4 more single crochets through the left loops of the following chain stitches. Five single crochets are done. Then we need to work 3 single crochets through the left loop of the next chain stitch. Remove the marker. Work 1 single crochet through the left loop of the next chain. Continue to work 2 more single crochets in the same stitch. Then we are going to work through the loops on the other side of the chain. First, we need to work 4 single crochets. Skip this marked loop and work 1 single crochet through the right loop of the next chain stitch. Pay attention to the needle in this loop. Once single crochet is done, remove the marker. Continue to work 3 single crochets in the same way. Four single crochets are done. Next, work 1 increase through this marked loop. We need to work 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. The hook should go through both loops of the V shape. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, then work 1 increase, 4 single crochets, 3 increases, 4 single crochets, and 2 increases. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 1 increase. Then work 4 single crochets. Then work 3 increases. We need to work 2 single crochets in each of the following 3 stitches. Then work 4 single crochets. Then work 2 increases. We need to work 2 single crochets in each of the following 2 stitches. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 2 is done.